Welcome back to the shop. So today we're going to do something a little unusual. We got a set of Fluke screwdrivers sent in to us from Fluke, and we did a little product survey thingy with them, and they sent us this. So let's take a look at it. These are, it's hard to get the whole thing in frame. They're 1000 volt insulation rated screwdrivers. We should have 3 straights, 2 Phillips and 2 Robertson screwdrivers inside. Let's get this open and see what it looks like. Okay, so getting these out here, we can see, let's look at the packaging here first actually. You can see they have ergonomic handles. Let's see, what else are they saying? They have the identification for them on the blade type on the handle, which is always nice. So when it's jammed down in your bag. Anti-roll design and limited warranty, lifetime warranty. And they also state that you should always visually inspect the tool before you use it. So let's take a look at some of these here. Looks like they're made very well. Everything's fit very, very nicely. Good seam there on the plastic insulator. There you have an IEC spec number. These are made in Germany, so I would imagine the IEC number has some meaning in Europe there. This is the 1/4 inch slotted, and you can see we have the slotted screwdriver symbol there. There's our Fluke branding, the individual price. Now I do notice that you can squeeze this and it's a little squishy, which is kind of interesting. Can't say I ever used a screwdriver with that in it, but they don't feel like they would have a bad grip to them. This is a rubber over molding, and you can see I'm already getting dirt to transfer on it. My hands aren't even that dirty yet, so these would turn black pretty quick, but I don't know that they'd get wicked or not. I don't know what type of rubber they have on there. The yellow is plastic. You can hear that. Yeah, they look like they're a nicely made screwdriver. So let's get the rest out here and see what they all look like. So we got them all out here, and we can see we have 3 slotted, a 1/4 inch, a 5/32, and a 3/32. And this 3/32 I actually really like. Normally I like 1/8 inch screwdrivers, but the 3/32 here looks like it might be really nice for terminal block terminating. So we might have to try that out. This is a pretty nice grip here. There's a Klein screwdriver that I've really taken liking to because of its have one here because it has a larger handle on it, and I actually really like this screwdriver, and it's a nice screwdriver to use for terminating with term blocks and other stuff. It's a nice fast screwdriver to use, but we're not looking at Klein's. So this does look like a nice screwdriver. It's a little smaller than the Klein, and this one here being just a step above the 5/32. There we go. All of them are very nice. There you have your slotted marking on it. I do think that this is going to get scratched and worn, but it's in there decent. I think you'll see it. Let's take a look at a Phillips one here. You can see here that it's the Phillips number 2, and again they have the seam here between the metal and the plastic nice, so you know there's not a ridge that you feel here or anything like that. So they're nicely made. I don't know how hard these are, but it does look like the tip has nice Nice relief for the Phillips tip, and also it's nice and crisp, the lines here, so I think it's gonna grip a screw nicely. Let's look at the one here quick. And same basic thing. All these have the same feel to the handle. Feels like it's the handle's, you know, hard to squeeze here, but on the 180 degree out, it's easier. So I don't know how they're made inside, but this is obviously the yellow handle that they get the Fluke through, and then in here it's a little squishy, kind of interesting. Again, with the number 1, nice and crisp lines. Looks like it's made very well. Again, nice fitment on everything. The handle goes over the plastic here smoothly. I think that's a very nice tool there. Let's see here, the Robertson. Again, very nice and crisp. It does look like they have a finish on here that'll wear off, you know, very quickly when you start using it. But again, very nicely made. We have the mark there of the Robertson screw, and yeah, very nice screwdrivers. So just a quick look here at the number 1. Really happy to get these, and we'll be using them here in the shop, and I'll probably take some to work at some point or something like that and play around with them. But really happy to get them, and we'll put them to use here and see what we think. So we'll probably see them around in videos or what have you, something like that, and we'll see how they hold up as opposed to what I normally use, the Kleins. We'll see how the tips hold up and everything else. So just thought I'd throw a quick video together here and take a look at something that came through the shop here, and hopefully share with some people. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.